Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can go ahead and simply cancel subscription on your BetterMe app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we will simply go ahead and step into our video. So for that matter, we first of all gonna go ahead access our BetterMe app, and if you already have an account, you're simply gonna go ahead log in. If you do not, we can simply type in this create account. So once you have created your account completely, this is the kind of interface you're gonna find, which is ask for a subscription, right? So this is the you have a also in the promo code section. Once you've entered the promo code, you will find this kind of interface, which also asks for you to unlock trial and reminder. If you tap on the start my free week, this will simply go ahead unlock you a subscription where you will enter your credit or debit card and you will finally pay for them, and your subscription starts your account. You can have all of the services that it provides. Afterwards, for you to stop it, you're going to go ahead and access your account settings, and in the subscriptions, in the plan section, you will find the plan that you have created. You can scroll down below and tap on this cancel section, and then you can cancel it and make sure that you have used it throughout the time that you have added for. Let's say if it's for 3 months and if you have completely used, then it's better to cancel. So this is the way, guys. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching this. I'll see you guys in our next video.